Don't worry, there's sound coming up. Here we go. You ready? All right, so that made a clap noise, of course, for synchronization of the audio files. I'm recording audio on the cell phone, and I'm also recording audio on this lavalier microphone. Let me explain the setup real quick. We had cell phones. I was making a lot of my videos on this particular cell phone. It's a ZTE Axon 7 cell phone. And I had this microphone, which is the Rode SmartLav Plus. And I also bought a 20-foot extension cable with it. But unfortunately for that extension cable, it was the same thin wire that I have for the microphone. It wasn't a robust wire. So I've now ordered some more robust cables. So if I want to be wired into the phone, I can do that for making my recordings. But if this works even better, I can use it for anything, because I was also looking at a portable digital audio recorder, which is basically something like my cell phone with a lavalier mic attached to it. So let me show you where this is going to really come into play. Also with drone footage. If I'm doing a drone video, there's no microphone on the drone. So I would have to do voiceover or add in music and voiceover or whatever. I got to add the sound to it later because there's no sound on the video that I shoot with the drone. There's no sound whatsoever. There's no microphone, so you're not even going to hear the whirring of the blades. So with that, let me explain what I'm going to do here. Is I'm going to use this as if it was one of those portable digital audio recorders. I'm going to go out in the distance here, and I'll show you where I'm going to go, and you should be able to hear me just fine. I'm going to speed up the time frame for me getting out there and getting back. I'm going to cut that part out. But where you're going to see me going is you're going to see me going out here to this white pile of bags out here. It's sandbags out there. All right, so you see me going out there, and then way out in the distance, there's behind the white sandbags, there's also there's a white trailer off there on my neighbor's property. But I'm going to go way out here by the sandbags, and we're talking, it's going to be like one of those crazy things like, wow, that guy's a mile away from the video, but I can hear him like he's standing right next to it. And the reason why is I'm taking a microphone with me, right? Portable microphone. And I'm going to talk about that in some future videos. I just want to do this test right now to see if I can line it up. So I did a clap up front to line up the synchronization in the editing software. Then when I get back, I'm going to do another clap at the end before I shut everything off, so I can line up, because the audio is not the same. It doesn't start at the same time, doesn't end at the same time. So I need to be able to line it up visually in the editing timeline. All right, I hope that makes sense. All right, so we'll make more videos about that. I'm testing this. I'm hoping it really works out well. And if so, we'll make some more videos and do some more testing and show you some things that I want to do. Basically, let me give you the idea about this whole thing. I want everybody to be able to make videos about their hobbies, their interests and stuff like that, and share it with other people. This is what YouTube's all about anyway, right? But I want to be able to do it with a cost-effective, efficient, and low cost. Effectively and efficiently at low cost, basically, is it the whole thing. And we all have cell phones, and the cell phones have cameras, and they record video in them. So there's a whole bunch of different things we can do with that. I also picked up like kind of a selfie holder for my camera, my cell phone, because this thing here is like on 2 blocks of wood that are screwed together. Show you that. I've showed you that in other videos, but I'll show it to you again in the future. With that, let me go out there to the sandbags, and I'm going to edit this out. So the next stop you're going to see me at, I'm going to walk a little bit of distance down the sidewalk, and then you're going to see a little red dot down there. That'll be me at the sandbags. I was thinking about that, and I'm bouncing the thing around like crazy. So I'm way out here by the sandbags now, and 4 minutes into the video. It's about a good time for a video. Got my sandbags here. There's a burn pit over here. Shut the screen off. The thing about this is I can shut the screen off and just put the phone back in my pocket, and and it'll be okay, and it'll keep recording. So that's a good thing about that. The digital things, usually put them on a belt clip or something like that. But now I'm just walk on back in, and but I had some chores to do today, so it's kind of a little late in the day for this. And there is a little bit of wind. This is part of the test here. There is a wind muff, a little wind, they call it a dead cat, a little wind muff for this particular microphone, but I can't find it. Not like I throw things away, right? So anyways, I should sound fine, just like I'm standing next to the camera the whole way there and back, and cut out that part where I'm running out, but I'm going to keep the part where I'm walking back, right? Again, this is a ZTE Axon 7 phone. They don't even make it anymore. You can't buy it anymore. But the reason why I like this thing is because the audio recorder It's just called recorder, and ZTE, that's what you got. That's one of the things that came with it. And to my recollection, the thing works very, very, very well. I never used it for anything, but when I heard how good it sounded, I was really impressed with it. And I always wanted to try these experiments. And we'll see how it keeps going. We'll see if I can get things going. It's got to be like consistent, persistent, always on the ball, always happening, and always ready to go. Just like, you know, we're out there trying to shoot videos and add content to our channels and stuff like that. Well, we got to be able to depend on everything we're going with. And if you're doing a short distance from your camera kind of thing, from your cell phone, you probably just use a selfie stick. But then you need something to really, you need a nice selfie stick, something that's comfortable, something where you're not going to damage your cell phone, something where you're not going to hurt your arm or whatever, holding the thing up too long, trying to get the good shot you wanted and all that. But more experiments to come, and I think I'm going to wrap it up with this. We have a helicopter flying around in the background. Looks like a news chopper back there. I wonder if you can see it in the screen. Anyway, so it's up there somewhere. I don't know if we got it in the shot. Anyway, it's just over that tree. Anyway, so again, don't forget to make a comment below. Let me know who came by to say hi. Give me that thumbs up. Let me know you liked the video. If you want to see more of things like this, let me know in the comments as well. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.